Andhra Pradesh. I was completed my graduation in the year 2023 with CSC with 62 percentage, and I was joined Qspiders in the month of October 2024. I in Qspiders lectures trained me a lot, and they conducted presentation classes and mock test in daily, and mock test improved me a lot how to attend the interviews and how to grab the interviews. They helped me a lot, and lectures support the trainers who teach us. They helped me in both manual testing, automation testing, and they conducted presentation classes and mock test, and to improve our skills as well as communication skills as well as technical skills to develop and attend the interview and grab the